I've got a few questions for you. How was your experience today in virtual reality? How was it for you? What did you feel?
The world is going to a virtual world and we can't deny it. I had an experience earlier, but this Oculus was a special experience. The virtual world which you have created is awesome. It's a dream experience. You are having a live dream.
You are an architect, so from design perspective, how do you think that this experience, how was it for you really?
This is my first experience in my life, of facing this virtual reality. I have actually heard about this virtual reality, but today I have experienced it first time, and the experience is of course wow. Of course, I would like to have this experience more often because I liked it.
You put your children into VRAcademi, about a year ago when we first started, and at that point in time, the knowledge about virtual reality was even less prevalent than now. Why did you put your children into this academy?
For me, VR was totally new. In fact, my son knew much more than me. And yes, I have seen those smaller versions and I also enjoyed it. In fact, when I experienced this today, I felt like I was in a totally different world.
We first talked almost a year ago when we met, and you were convinced that this is the technology. So why VRAcademi? Why did you choose?
So I don't know how we got connected. I called you and you called me back. We were in the same page. So we were thinking about kids in the same way. I think education should be creative, not industrial, what we are going through now. Technology is there and it's going to be the future for sure. And when you combine AI, robotics and virtual reality, the world is going to change. We have thought about it that my kid should learn this. He picked whatever he likes and whatever. So we just exposed him to this and he was like wonder.
Yes.
And he got into the class and we were wondered like he could do it. He was only 7.5 and he was able to go through the course. He created this and every day after class he is excited.
Right.
That excitement carries us forward.
Would you recommend this course to other friends and families of yours? And if so, why do you think that they should do such a course?
Definitely I would do. One thing is what I've understood is kids might react faster with such technology than just being in the classroom.
Would you like to say that you're happy with our teachers and their efforts,
We got a teacher from Cyprus.
Right.
She's sitting in Cyprus and he's sitting in UAE.
Right.
And they are connected and they, even earlier he had this language barrier, but they got connected very fast. So
Right.
it's all exciting. I remember today that how excited she was to talk about him. My son connected with her not as a teacher, as a friend.
Any suggestions you may have to make our courses better?
What I feel, not only my kid, lot of kids has to get into this. People do not know there's a virtual reality is available.
True.
Virtual reality world is available. That also is a very vague idea for people.
Yes.
When we have a battalion of kids who can do this, create by themselves and have exhibitions of their own and have their shows, it will grow like it.
Right.
Because all kids will love it.
Yeah.
We are Academy. Create your impossible.